Hello, this is the Belkasoft tutorial series. In this video we'll go through working with Belkasoft Triage, or Belkasoft T for short. Belkasoft T is a new digital forensics and incident response tool developed specifically for quick triage of live computers and making partial images of just important data. Belkasoft T comes pre-installed on a dongle, which will also have up to 8 gigs of flash memory. Belkasoft Triage can be launched on a computer and laptops under 64 and 32-bit Windows operating systems. Belkasoft T can also be launched on virtual machines provided that its USB dongle is hooked up. It's important to note that a memory dump can only be acquired by a user with administrative rights, so Belkasoft T you'll need to run as an administrator from the context menu. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Acquiring RAM memory dump. Acquiring a RAM memory dump is the first thing you'll want to do before the found device can be turned off. If a memory dump has already been collected, just skip this step. If not, the RAM acquisition is started once the folder for saving images is selected. Step 2. Scanning the device. The next step is to select the logical disk drive or folder to explore, and then set up the required options like skin tone detection and/or calculating hashes and adding hash set databases. Once all the analysis options have been chosen and checked, the triage analysis will start. It may be stopped at any time once the required profile or data is detected. All found results are instantly displayed on the screen. Detected mobile backups, virtual machines, memory files are all presented under the data source selection. You can expand detected profiles to view the information. When the first matches of hashes or skin tone occurs, a notification window will pop up. Step 3. Exporting the results. You can wait until the analysis completion or stop the analysis as soon as the required data has been found. Press the Export button to view the results, and then select the folder for exporting. Belkasoft T instantly calculates the size of all the profiles and the total size. The total amount may exceed the real one because some of the artifacts found may refer to several different types of detected objects. A filtering artifacts option is also available. The Properties panel on the right contains information about the detected profile and artifacts. Select an item to view its properties. Preview the documents, pictures, and videos with the default Windows viewer by double-clicking on them. Check all or part of the items for exporting. To start the exporting process, click Next. Select the desired folder and observe the creating image process on the next screen. All saved data is stored on the dongle or in a chosen location. Belkasoft's family of DFIR software makes your investigations quicker, easier, more comprehensive, and more effective. Download your free trials today at belkasoft.com/trial. Thank you for watching this video. We greatly appreciate your time and interest.